Hello everyone and welcome to my class. Now in this, to continue with the first chapter of class 12th history, that is bricks, beats and bones. In this video I'll be discussing about the evidences of an invasion. Right, in my previous video we have discussed about the decline of the Harappan civilization, and various theories are propounded by the historians and the archaeologists which might be the possible reason for the disappearance of the settlements belonging to the same civilization, right? But the most acceptable theory till so far is considered as the natural disaster, probably flood, probably earthquake, or drying of a river, climatic change. Such theories are mostly accepted by the historians. Now here that video itself, I have told you that the Mohenjo-daro is known, its literal meaning is place of dead. Now in this section we'll be talking about why this name is given to Mohenjo-daro, right? So let's begin the topic. Deadman Lane is found in Mohenjo-daro. A lane is found in the settlement where the skeletons of around 16 people are placed, right? And these skeletons are wearing their ornaments. Now the placement of skeleton are in such a way that they are placed one on one above another. Now this shows that proper उनका जो है उनको दफनाया भी नहीं गया होगा, राइट? तो ये किस ओर इशारा करते हैं कि probably they were killed together and उनको प्रॉपरली दफनाया नहीं गया और उनको ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया गया, राइट? Now this was the thing which is found in Mohenjo-daro in 1925. Now R.E.M. Wheeler, Mortimer Wheeler, जो Director General ASI थे, he related that evidence with the information given in Rig Veda. See, Rig Vedic time or the Vedic time is a later period, एंड ये जो वेदास लिखे गए ये बाद में लिखे गए हैं. तो देर आर एविडेंसेस, देर आर मेंशन ऑफ अ वर्ड कॉल्ड पुर. पुर मीन्स रैम्पेड, फोर्ट और स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड. पुर वर्ड का इस्तेमाल किया गया है ऋग्वेदा में, जो कि फोर्ट या कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग भवन या कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड ऐसा बनाया गया होगा जिसके बारे में बार बार ये शब्द का प्रयोग किया गया है. और एक और शब्द है जिसका नाम है पुरमदारा, विच मीन्स डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ फोर्ट, और ये वर्ड यूज किया गया है इंद्र के लिए, right? So he related this information with the evidence found at Mohenjo-daro. He said that probably the settlement was attacked by someone, invasion was done, and in that there was a massacre took place at Mohenjo-daro and large number of people were killed, and this is how the settlement ended or declined there, right? How the people disappeared. तो उन्होंने ये बोला है कि शायद ऐसा हुआ होगा मोहनजोदारो में कि बाहर से लोगों ने इन्वेड किया होगा और लोगों को मारा होगा और इस तरह से इस सेटलमेंट का अंत हुआ होगा. ये एक अनुमान उन्होंने लगाया है दोनों इन्फॉर्मेशन को मिला, राइट? इस थ्योरी को 1960s में this theory of massacre at Mohenjo-daro was challenged by another archaeologist. His name was George Dale, and he said whatever the skeletons found at Mohenjo-daro, it did not belong to the same time period. स्केलेटन्स भले ही मोहनजोदारो साइट से मिले हैं, बट उनकी स्टडी शो करती है कि वो स्केलेटन्स उस समय के नहीं हैं, हड़प्पन टाइम के नहीं हैं. प्रॉबली ये हुआ होगा कि द सेटलमेंट डिसअपियर्ड और कई सदी बाद या कई सालों बाद जो है वहाँ पे दूसरी सेटलमेंट हुई होगी और फिर उनके स्केलेटन्स हैं सेम टाइम पीरियड के नहीं हैं. सो ही चैलेंज्ड दिस थ्योरी ऑफ मैसेकर एट Mohenjo-daro. Now such theories shows one thing, that historians are not very clear about the reasons how the Harappan civilization ended or declined, how all of a sudden the people disappeared, right? So this is one such theory. Now in another section here we'll discuss about the discovering of the Harappan civilization, another story. Now, I have already told you about how the Harappan civilization was discovered in my previous videos. Now, in this section, once again we'll be trying to discover this civilization, but in another way. In this section, we'll be discussing how the historians and archaeologists have different perceptions while they were discovering the Harappan civilization. Now, to begin with this, first thing we'll talk about the Cunningham's confusion. He was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. And here his confusion, we'll talk about his confusion, about what confusion was there in his mind. He was a very keen learner of past. He had an interest in discovering the past, and he was working on working on a project where he wanted to discover the early civilization in India, right? So he followed the written information which is present in the form of travelers account. The Chinese pilgrims who visited Indian subcontinent, they left a huge account here. जो भी चाइना से जो आए थे, बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स आए थे, उनके द्वारा लिखा गया जो रिटन सोर्सेस हैं, उसने उसको फॉलो करना स्टार्ट किया, राइट? एंड he began his excavation in the mid 19th century, and he followed the written words as a guide. उनके अनुसार जो चाइनीज पिलग्रिम्स थे, उनके अकाउंट्स को फॉलो किया. He also translated various surveys which were conducted earlier. उन सर्वेस को कई सर्वेस ऐसे थे जिनको उसने ट्रांसलेट किया, जो रीजनल उसमें लिखे गए होंगे, और फिर जाके इंफॉर्मेशन निकाली. इस बीच काफ़ी आर्टिफैक्ट्स भी मिले जो कनिंघम के पास लाए गए, बट ही related those artifacts, he placed those artifacts in the same time period जिसके लिए वो काम कर रहा था, that is around 6th century BC, because the Chinese pilgrims or the Buddhism that emerged in 6th century BC in India, और Chinese pilgrims उसके कई सालों बाद आए होंगे, जिन्होंने बुद्धिज़्म की खोज में, बुद्ध के बारे में जानने के लिए वो इंडिया विजिट करते रहे होंगे. तो उसका जो टाइम फ्रेम था, उसके दिस वाज बियॉन्ड हिज इमेजिनेशन कि 6th सेंचुरी BC से पहले भी इंडिया में कुछ रहा होगा. जो चाइनीज़ पिलग्रिम्स द्वारा रिटन सोर्सेस में लिखा गया वो ये था कि जो बुद्धिज़्म है वो नॉर्थ इंडिया में, नॉर्दर्न रीजन में, स्पेशली द गंगा वैली रीजन, यहाँ पे फ्लरिश हुआ, विच इज़ वेरी करेक्ट. बट उसके दिमाग में यही टाइम फ्रेम था 6th सेंचुरी BC का, एंड यही प्लेस का टाइम फ्रेम था कि अर्ली सिविलाइजेशन इन इंडिया माइट अकर्ड इन द नॉर्दर्न रीजन, स्पेशली इन द गंगा वैली रीजन, राइट? सो ही प्लेस्ड दोज आर्टिफैक्ट्स इन दैट टाइम फ्रेम, इन दैट रीजन, एंड ही इट वाज not in his imagination कि इससे पहले भी इंडिया में civilization रही होगी. So this is how the importance of those artifacts somewhere it reduced or these artifacts were placed in another category, right? So जो information हमें उन artifacts से उस समय मिल सकती थी, वो दूसरी जगह उनको place करने की वजह से नहीं मिल पाई. So this was the confusion of Cunningham's. It was later that the value of those artifacts were realized when other excavations were done on a large scale, especially in the Indus Valley region, and when the discovery of Harappa took place, right? So this is all about the Cunningham's confusion. We'll talk about more how the archaeologists have done their work to rewrite the past, to recreate the history of Harappans. So please wait for the next video. Please like, share and review this, and please write your comments. Thank you, and subscribe my channel.